welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. Okay, you're gonna hear a lot of chewing because I just gave my dog an antler to chew on. He's going for it, so sorry for that noise, but it's Vlogmas Day 9 and I have to make one more trip out to the store. I need to get that 4-pack of the plaid balls that I need for my chandeliers upstairs from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to a different location, so I'm going to see if they have a wreath the size that I need also, but if they don't, I'm giving up on that. Couldn't find one on Amazon, and my husband looked at Walmart when he was there last time and they didn't have any there either, so, and we checked Home Depot too. So I'm done. If they don't have it, I'm just giving up on it. When I get back, I have a few things I need to do here also, so let's just get busy and get it done.
The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile, I can seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too, like a vibration right between us with a beautiful two. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but I'm warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? As hours pass by, all the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? I see you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast, I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland?
I went to Hobby Lobby, then Joann's, and then Kirklands and Target looking for a wreath. Nobody had the wreath. Joann's had a couple of wreaths, but not the size that I needed, so I got the smallest one that or the one that fit closest to the one that I needed, and then I'll just switch one out. I'm sure that doesn't make sense to you, but I need one to match another one. So I'll have to take one from another window, match it for the one that I need too, and then I'll take this one and stick it in a single window. Hope that made sense, but okay. So these are things I got from Hobby Lobby, I think. I'm pretty sure I got this, and that's part of what I'm going to use for the rest of my table decoration. And I got this devotional, Live in Grace, Walk in Love. And then I couldn't resist. I mean, these were half off, so that was like, what, $1.75. So I got a couple more smaller watercolor pads. And then the stamp pad for the gift wrapping stuff. I have a few more things coming from Amazon for that. This is for a picture hanging project. And then I had some bias tape that I'm going to use for, I need to sew some caps for my husband that he wears at the hospital. He's a surgical assistant. He's not a surgeon, but he helps assist in surgery. And they're out of the caps that they usually have, so I don't know what's going on there, but they don't have any, so I'm going to make some for him. And then got some ribbon for the gift wrapping project, and then some of this E6000 glue. I think that's all I got from Hobby Lobby. This is from Joann, so I don't know. I just love vintage stuff, and I was actually thinking about an apron like this the other day, and it was just like sitting right there going, Stacey, here I am. You were looking for me, remember? Grab me, grab me. So I did. And some thread for the caps, because I needed for the different colors that I'm going to be using. And then this cute little metal mailbox I'm going to put on one of the tier trays, I think. I hope it'll fit. And then some more bias tape, because Hobby Lobby only had one left of the navy blue. So I grabbed another one, and that was all they had too, was one. I don't know what's going on with that. Oh, I bet people are making masks. So anyway, the colors were limited. This is for, I had an idea for a decoration in the kitchen, so we'll see how that turns out. I'll show you. Again, gift wrapping, possibly gift wrapping, maybe for the project I'm talking about in the kitchen. I may use it in here. It's kind of coordinating colors with the plaid that I'm using, so we'll see. Anyway, that's it for that. I didn't get anything in Kirklands. They didn't have what I was looking for. And where else? Target. I got 2 blanket boxes and some little figurines that I may use on the tier tray. I'm not sure. If I don't like them, I'll take them back. But they were just like some little dollar trinket things. I think that's it. Okay, let's see what we got today. 9. My not so favorite star anise. There we go. Super star anise. Yeah, I'm not a fan. I didn't try it, the other one, because I just don't care for star anise. So let's see. All right, I'll save that for company. Maybe somebody else will be interested.
The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile, I can seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too, like a vibration right between us with a beautiful two. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but I'm warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? As hours pass by, all the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? I see you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast, I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland?
I do.